Why go to Venice, Italy? I think that Italy is a unique country. Venice is a unique country. Venice is one of the most romantic and intriguing cities on the planet. It's full of art, culture, and history. This city is located in the northeast of Italy, and I should visit because it has beautiful and magical places to know and enjoy. For example, if I travel to Venice, it would be great to be able to transport through gondolas through its flooded streets. I will visit Palacio Ducal. This building is one of the symbols of the glory and power in Venice. It has got style. It has two facades that have a view towards the Venetian lagoon and Smart Square. This place is flooded when storms occur and water runs down the drains to the Grand Canal. I would also visit the Basilica of San Marcos, which is the main Catholic center in Venice. This construction ended in the year 832 to house the relics of smart evangelists stolen from Alexandria. I would also through the Grand Canal, which forms on one of the main corridors of water traffic in the city. There people can be transported in Vaporetto and go through the Rialto Bridge, the Academy Bridge, the Bridge of the Descalzos, and the Bridge on the Constitution. I will visit its restaurants that offer the most exquisite seafood, and I will visit the Burano Island, where there are colorful houses and I could take many photographs. With all the reasons to visit Venice, I believe that anyone will fall in love with its charm, visit it again and recommend it. I can't miss living the wonder of this place. I'm going to Venice. Thank you.